Okay, the items that we are going to need for the raisin bread, I'm going to start with the filling part of it. We are going to need 1 cup of light brown sugar or dark brown sugar, doesn't matter, 1 cup of raisins, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter, okay? This is for the filling. Now, for the actual bread, we're going to need 6.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of evaporated milk, warm, 1 cup of water, warm to 110 degrees, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 envelopes of dry active yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a whole stick of butter, which is 1/2 cup of butter. Okay, and we are going to, the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take our water and we're going to put in the yeast so that it could start to activate. And I'm going to put just a little bit of sugar and we're going to stir that up. And we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes until it proves. So I'll be back at that point. Okay, I have all the flour, the salt, the sugar into the stand mixer, and I'm going to start it. And I'm going to wait a little bit before I start adding the liquids. And as you can see, the yeast is proofed already. I'm going to drop in the butter, maybe the eggs, the milk, and now the yeast. Okay, I've got this going and I'm gonna let this go for 10 minutes. So I'll be back and show y'all in a few minutes. Okay guys, it's been in there for 10 minutes. I'm gonna get it down and transfer it to a bowl. Get out of the bowl. Okay, and this is what your dough should look like. It's very, very, very soft. See how it doesn't stick to my hands and it doesn't stick to the counter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this, put it in a bowl with some nonstick spray, and we are going to let it rest. We're gonna let it double in size. Cover it with some saran wrap. I like to put mine in the microwave because it's no draft in there. Of course, the microwave is off. And I leave it in there for about an hour. So however long it takes to double in size, I will check in on you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, while we're waiting for the bread to rise, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the filling. So here's the 1 cup of brown sugar and the cinnamon, the 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. We're just gonna give this a good mix. And then we are going to add the butter. Just gonna look like a paste, just like that. And we're just gonna set this aside. The raisins go at the end by themselves. So I like to put them, place them where I like them. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, the dough is ready. As you can see, it puffed up more than double its size. So we're gonna take it out of the bowl. And I don't think I mentioned it. This is gonna make 2 loaves, 2 9-by-5-inch loaves, and I've already greased both of them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll this out to 19 inches by probably 10 inches. You know, this is so soft that I'm probably gonna be able to get it all rolled out with my hands, just pressed out. Okay, now we're gonna get our sugar, cinnamon, butter combination, and we're gonna start putting down little dollops everywhere, and then we're gonna smear it. And I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Okay, now I'm gonna take the raisins and just sprinkle them on everywhere. They're stuck together, break them up so you can get raisins in every bite. Now we're gonna start rolling it from this corner away from you. Just go a little bit at a time. Now we're going to pinch the ends so nothing comes out, and we are going to cut this in half and put 1 in each loaf. And we're going to let this rise one more time. So we're going to cut it in half. If it's a little bigger than the pan, that's okay because you can smush it in there. Okay, get the first one. There we go. And then just press it down to try to fill up the whole loaf. And the bread comes out even. It's going to look just like that. Okay, now we get the second one. Okay, we're going to let this proof. It's going to take about an hour and I will be back. Okay guys, the bread has been proofing and look at how beautiful that is. Okay, we're going to brush the tops with some neutral oil. Just real lightly. And we are going to put them in a 375-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Everybody's oven is different, so please check your breads at least 35 minutes. Okay, I'll be back after they're ready. Okay guys, this is going to conclude the video. Sorry, my camera lost the last piece of the footage. But as you can see, the bread is ready. It's nice and crusty. The inside was very soft and a lot of flavor. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.